Good evening, everybody. I am so lucky to be here tonight celebrating the 25th year anniversary of my Papa and Mama. To Mama and Mama, may you have more anniversaries to come so we could have a lot of celebrations to have as well. To Mama, thank you for teaching me how to study. I know sometimes I am bad and I am sorry. Thank you for being caring, loving, and understanding. To Papa, thank you for giving me food like chocolates and ice cream and sometimes potato corn. Thank you for taking us to Pro Cinema and sometimes dining out at Greenfield and Mang Pains and my favorite Chowking. May you continue to love each other and will not go tired taking care of me. Ate Maple, Ate Anging, and I are proud of you. Thank you for everything. I love you, Papa and Mama. Happy anniversary.